Hello, most welcome to the Forex Alligator indicator. Its purpose is to identify a trend and its direction and filter good signals from the bad ones. Thus, avoiding the range-bound market can lead to losses. Here is the construction of Alligator indicator. The indicator consists of three moving average which can offset toward the future. First, alligator's jaw, the blue line. 13 period smooth moving average which is moved 8 bars into the future. Second, alligator's teeth, the red one. 8 period smooth moving average which is moved 5 bars into the future. And the last one is alligator's lips, the green one. 5 period smooth moving average which is moved 3 bars into the future. Bill Williams refers to this moving average as a balanced lines. You can see that he also gave a creative names to the indicator and its elements. His idea was to provide an example that will demonstrate the behavior of the market. This example is the alligator that alternates between the periods of sleep and hunting. So how to interpret alligator indicator? When the jaw, the teeth, and the lips are intertwined, it means the alligator is asleep and there is no uptrend or downtrend at the market. Bill Williams recommends staying out of the market during such periods. The longer the alligator sleeps, the hungrier it awakes. When it wakes up from a long sleep, it opens its mouth and gets ready to take a big bite of the market. It's time to trade. The alligator will chase the price far away and offer a decent profit to a trader. Having eaten enough, the alligator goes back to sleep. So it's time to take profit. If the alligator is not asleep, the market is either in an uptrend or a downtrend. If the price above the alligator's mouth, then it's an uptrend. The indicator lines take a bullish order. Green on the top, then red, and then blue. If the price is below the alligator's mouth, then it's a downtrend. The alligator's lines take a bearish order. Blue on the top, then red, then green. The balance lines can provide resistance or support during the trend phase. The price can go beyond the green line for the short periods of the time. The more it tries to break the green line, the weaker the trend becomes. It's also possible to look for the so-called fake crosses, or the situations when the green line crosses the red line but then turns back. If such cross happen during an uptrend, you can buy once the green line returns above the red one. There are many different combinations between alligator and the other tools of the technical analysis. Here are some suggestions. First, look for a reversal pattern, chart pattern, or candlestick pattern. Once you have it, use the alligator for confirmation. For example, wait for the green line to cross other lines. Second, use the alligator together with the fractals. Wait for the moment when the alligator is sleeping. Balance lines are intertwined. Put a buy stop order 1 pip above the latest fractal up, which is located above the alligator's mouth. The alligator indicator has a unique formula that distinguishes it from a simple set of moving average. Being based on moving average, the indicator does react to the price changes with a time lag. At the same time, it can be used both for picking out the start of a new trend and a moment when a trend resumes after correction. The Alligator is a ready for use trading system that can be accompanied by other analytical tools for the greater precision of trading. When you see the Alligator, check several time frames of the chart.